Hello students, welcome once again to my channel, and in this section we have 4 exponent x being equal to 5 exponent y also equal to 400, and we have to find 1 over s and 1 over y. So since we have 4 exponent x being equal to 5 exponent y also being equal to 400, then which means that 4 exponent s is just equal to 400 and 5 exponent s is also equal to 400. So we have 4 exponent s being equal to 400 here. Then also we can also have 5 exponent y being equal to 400. So let's solve this separately. So 4 we know is the same as 2 to the power 2x here. Then 400 is just 20 exponent 2, right? And also 5 y here is just we have 2 also as 20 exponent 2 also in this part. Now realize that the bases are not the same, right? The bases are not the same in each of the equation, and therefore what we do is to apply log. So we apply log here. So when we apply log, we have 2 exponent 2x here being equal to the log of 20 exponent 2. Then also we apply log also here, and we have the log of 5 exponent y, then the log of 20 exponent 2 here. Now this exponent moves down here, and this 2 here moves down here. So we have 2x here log 2 here being equal to 2 log 20. Then we have so this y here also drops here, and we have y here log 5 being equal to 2 log 20, right? Now since we want to find x and also y, then we can make s a subject here. So we have 2x here. Now this log 2 goes to divide, so we have log 20 here divided by log 2, right? And over here we just have we divide here by log 5 and divide here by log 5, right? This got rid of that. Y equal to 2 log 20 and over log 5, and then also x here will just be equal to 2 log 20 here being divided by, now these 2 will divide each side, so it comes down here as 2 log 2 here, right? But 2 here cancel that of that, and we have x equal to the log of 20 here divided by the log 2 here. So that will be y, and that will be x, and y here is just 2 log 20, right, over log 5. Now the question says we should find 1 over s and 1 over y. We should subtract them. So since we have x and y here, therefore we can write 1 over x here as, so we can have 1 over x here. So since we have x to be that, 1 over x here will just be the reciprocal of that. So we have log 2 over log 20, right? The numerator exchanges with the denominator. Then in this case we have y to be log 5 here over 2 log 20. So from here we have 1 over x here minus 1 over y, and basically that is what we are looking for. So 1 over x here is just log 2 over log 20, then minus log 5 here divided by 2 log 20 here, and this will just, so basically 1 over x here minus 1 over y. Now computing this, we are just going to get this value to be negative 0.0372. so approximately 1 over s minus 1 over y here is approximately equal to negative 0.37 here. So thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I would see you in another section.